Welcome to the final lecture of our networking section. We have built our send email function using SMTPLIB and email. Now we will execute it to confirm that our automated mail client successfully connects to the Gmail SMTP server and delivers the message. 1. Review of client code setup. Before running, ensure that you have correctly substituted your actual Gmail address for sender_email and the unique app password you generated for app_password. 2. Defining test parameters. We set up the actual variables to pass to the function. For recipient_email, you may use your own email address to confirm delivery. We set a clear subject and body so that we can easily identify this message when it arrives in the inbox. 3. Running the client. We execute the send email function with our defined test parameters. If the connection, authentication, and sending process are successful, the program should print the confirmation message, email successfully sent to. To summarize, you have learned key networking tasks: web downloading, low-level socket programming for custom client-server communication, and high-level SMTP protocol for email automation. Our next lecture 28.01, Introduction. See you there.